Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about list methods in BITA. First method, we will see what is append. So append method is used to add the new element to the list at the end of a list. So we know that insert method is used to add a single element to the list. So in append method, we can able to add more than one element at a time. We can see with an example. We have a list called a list 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we are going to print this. After that, I want to append some new value. By using this append method, we can add more than one value at a time. So all the value will be added at the end of a list as a sequence type, not as a single type. Okay. All the values will be added as a single list, not as a single element. What is clear? So clear method which is used to delete all the elements from a given list. Next is remove method. So remove method, we can able to specify the given element. So particularly if you want to remove any element, we can go for this remove method. So in this example, we use this remove of 45. So after removing, we are trying to print the C list. So it will remove the 45 element from this given list. Okay. So I want to delete all the element from the given list. I'm going to use this clear method. Again, we are going to check a list. So we are getting only the empty list. So all the element will be deleted from the A list. This sort. So sort is used to arrange the numerical element in the list in an ascending order. We have a numerical elements. We want to arrange them in an ascending order before removing the data. Okay. We can go for this short. A list dot short. After using the short method, we will print this. Yes, why we are getting an error? This less than not supported between instance of list and integer, because we are having sequence of type list and single element list. Okay, whatever the element, everything should be a single element, not with a sequence type. So we can use this sorting technique for a single input itself. So for example, we can take a one more time. 98, 10, 38, 8, 17, 2, 7, 73. So I have a number something in a shuffled order. I want to print, and again I want to arrange them in a ascending order. We are using the sorting technique. So after using the sorting technique, we are going to print it again. So before using the sorting method, we are getting as it is what we used as the input. So after using the sorting method, we are getting in the ascending order. Okay. So these are all the list methods. So in next video, we will see what is a tuple data type. I hope all understand this list data type. Thank you guys.